kind of like natural contour. Maybe that's why people with freckles are so beautiful. Nature has favorites. Hello, this is a little bit of a different setting today, a bit of a different setup. So I thought, since I have my base makeup of like neutral looking stuff going on, I thought it'd be a good time to test out this freckle pen that I just got in the mail. This is Baby-Go Freckle Water Resistant Freckle Liquid. I got it off of TikTok shop. I've never tried fake freckles with an actual freckle pen. I'm kind of like nervous because I feel like it could go wrong really easily, but you know what, we're gonna try it. So I haven't opened it yet. Let's see, this is Baby-Go Freckle. Baby-Go Freckle, what does that mean? Okay, this is what it looks like straight out of the package. Okay, the color seems right. I got, okay, no color on here. Maybe it's one color. Oh, okay, wait. Interesting. Okay, work. Okay, fierce. So let's do this. Wait. I'm gonna look up an inspo for freckles because I want it to look natural and I want them to sit where freckles actually sit. This is what we're, okay. Does it kind of smell good? Okay. Okay, let's do it. So I saw people do this, right? Like kind of all over. But then they take their fingers and they like spread it out. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, this is sickening. Hold on. Oh wait, I gotta look at that girl's picture. Ah, quick, before it dries. Okay, well, oh, that's not, okay. Okay, maybe you let it sit for a second. You have to be careful not to smudge it. But it is kind of nice because then it becomes like a stamp. It's more of like a freckle stamp, isn't it? When you look at natural freckles, there's like that sort of like under layer, and then there's the more prominent ones. That's pretty good. It's just like a line though. Wow. Oh, interesting. So it actually kind of stains the... I wonder if it's better to do this and then put powder on. Because really it's almost too defined right now. Okay, it's hard to control the amount that's coming out. That is like stressful actually. Like what the heck? It's like a bunch of big ones. I need to like blur it out actually. Like, oh no. Oh no. What if we use it as contour? Okay. Like I never understood the freckle hate. Like I feel like they're so cute and like beautiful. I don't know guys, what do you think? This side has. Okay, we're gonna do the other side now. Oh no. This is what I'm freaking afraid of happening. Okay, we really gotta blend this out, girl. You have to keep a lot of product on there or else the dots get too big. Okay, and then there's your stamp, and then you go through and around. Interesting, okay. What is happening? Wait, this is actually, oh, there we go, okay. Okay, good to know it doesn't stain as soon as you put it on. It doesn't stain as soon as you put it on, you still have time. So my fiance has freckles. They're very light, but he has them. And they go up his face, so. Ooh, that's kind of fierce. One prominent. Ooh! It's kind of like natural contour. Man, maybe that's why people with freckles are so beautiful. They're nature's favorite. Nature has favorites. Stony, did you want to do Mario Kart tonight? Freckles obey skin. Okay, they don't obey hair, they don't obey shape, they just are where your skin is. So I'm trying to, oh my gosh, also, let's be real, I'm covered in the stuff. Okay, so it's a little messy. little gasps every time I mess something up, as though it's like unfixable. At least, come on, get it together. What do you think? I need to listen to nature, okay? Only people with natural freckles look good with freckles. Like, unless they have family members who have freckles. I don't think it's like in my DNA per se to have freckles, so it kind of looks like, I feel like that comes across like, you know. At a certain point, you have to accept you don't have freckles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you want to see me try more things. I just watched that tape back. I have this tiny little compact to see what I'm doing. This looks so natural. Like, do I need to add anything else? I feel like this is crazy. But what is this brand? Baby Go Freckle. I don't know if it's specific to this brand, but this is amazing. Like, I love to freckle people out there, to people who have them naturally, like the way you don't have to do this and it looks beautiful. Wow. You guys are nature's favorite. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is like, no words. Okay, so I guess I give it like a 10 out of 10. I would say the application process is a little bit messy. I wish there was a way to like maybe if I use a sponge, I don't know if it changes if you use your finger versus a sponge to apply it, because my hands are covered so in brown stuff from this. So it is nice, but that means like once you put it down on your skin, you have like 0.2 seconds to scrape it off. If you rub it, it'll just like leave a contour mark, like a dark spot. So as you can see in this little area here. But then the good news is you can always turn that into a dot. So I don't know, this is on top of everything. This is on top of my setting powder, on top of my liquid foundation, on top of my powder, and then on top of the setting powder. So this is like the last layer of my makeup, and it still looks pretty natural. And I kind of think I like that because I don't want them to be like shiny from my setting powder. So maybe this is like a nice, like, because it's sort of a matte. I will say this is very mattified and it's very liquid. Like, it is like not gummy. It's just like a liquid liner basically. But you know what? That's another thing. Maybe it is like a liquid eyeliner, but brown. Although I will say the consistency or like the way it saturates is a lot like liquid lipstick as well. So it's like a mixture between liquid lipstick and liquid eyeliner. But I don't know, I like it. Oh, see, there you go. I got some on the label, on the little lid. I got some on the lid and it stained it. So I would be careful depending on what you're wearing, because it might stain your clothes. And it doesn't say that in the, at least like on the package. I don't remember if they sent anything with it, but I just kind of followed instructions I saw online of people like dabbing their face, and I really liked it. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm really happy. I fully recommend, and I think you can probably get it anywhere, just kind of liquid freckle, but it looks really cool. So I hope you guys liked watching it. Bye.